This is Lance from Lance's Auto Vlog, and I'm back with another video. So we have this 2022 Ford F150 Lariat. And what we're going to do is we're going to add an amp to it. So we got to literally, like this beautiful truck. It's got the big screen here. Nice cluster dash. Let's turn all this off because they're not going to have it on anyway. Turn the air off. So we're going to basically, this car's stocked with a B&O system. So we literally have to, that's the B&O amplifier, smaller. So what we need to do is basically pull this factory sub. We're going to have an amp rack built right here for the new Audison SR1.500. And then we're going to put a custom box that we normally make production wise that sits under the seat. So we're going to pull all these panels apart. We're going to run wires from front to back. We're also going to do a bunch of other stuff to the truck, but I'm going to show you just the subwoofer box and amp, and then we'll figure that out. Then we also have to add a bass knob, and I'm thinking about doing the bass knob in here, but we're going to have to basically, right in there, we're going to basically have to figure it out as we go. So
look, why you mad? Get to the bag. Long face, duck a case, get the cash. I've been living fast.
So we removed the factory sub. See there? We gotta fill this hole with something. We're gonna put some denting material in there, put the factory bolt back in it, and then we can make the bracket for this to put the amp rack in. Not too complicated. So what we did was we ran power through this grommet here. We made a decision here, ran it through here. We ran the lumen in here. Might be hard to see, but we ran it through 10 flex cable here. We're gonna get around into the battery and we'll make a fuse holder for here. And then that ran through here, down this side here. And then we continue down the factory panel down here. This is just for the power. I'm just gonna come out over here and run along there to that panel over there, to the panel we make. So you'll see it all once we're done. And then we got to go on the other side and do the bass knob. Run the same way. Continues. We got this F150 Lariat 2022 all wrapped up. We got the B&O amplifier here. And then what we took is we took the factory sub out and replaced it with the Audison SR1.500. We took the high level in coming out of where the plug came out of the factory woofer, and we wired it to the high level in, and we turned on the arc circuit on the amplifier there directly. We also ran a bass knob, the VSCR I believe it is. I'll put it in the comments down below. The bass knob for Audison. And we just took the SR1.500, ran it at 2 ohms, running directly into the subs that are located under the seat, which we did the box prior. This took about 4 hours to do, making the panel itself, and then literally mounting the amp, running all the cables. So we ran power and ground from the battery itself. I'll show you that. And then we put our box in under here. So we got 2 tins under here. Really can't see them really, but it's a simple box vinyl wrap. And then we got the like I said, 2022. We got the bass knob mounted under there, so you can see the bass knob is right there in that location off this, and we're just running everything there. And then we have your battery connections here. So the ground coming off the factory battery, and then we mounted a fuse holder here, going there. And let's hear what this sounds like. Actually, it bangs pretty good, even with the doors pretty much open. It actually drops really low, so hang on. package we add to this car is done. We got some other stuff to do to this car. We got some tint to do. We also have some radar stuff to do on it as well. I mean, there's a bunch of things to get done. This car's gonna be all week. So, but that's a wrap on the audio side. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.